Hey everybody, welcome back. A quick update to our chicken and dumpling soup. Just want to show you, I've added seasoning to it, salt and pepper, and some Italian seasoning that I blend together. And I want to show you all the vegetables. So right now I have dehydrated carrots, canned carrots, fresh onion, and dehydrated celery. And let's see if you can see the celery. So that's dehydrated celery. It's got a really good texture on it. I blanched these first. Really good texture. I like that a lot. And the carrots, you can see the difference. On the left is a canned carrot. On the right and on the bottom is dehydrated carrot. So they are slowly reconstituting, rehydrating. And when this is done, they will be absolutely perfect. This is going to be a good meal. So remember earlier I said, gosh, I really needed more celery. Well, didn't want to go out to the store for fresh celery. So let's get away from the steam. So what I'm doing is, remember our canned celery that we did? So I opened a jar of that. I'm leaving the water in. So I tasted one because this was the first time that I did this. Make sure you guys can see that. So it was really good, but let me pour a little bit of water. You can see this a little bit better. So I cut them pretty thick, I thought. They're probably half an inch. I won't say I'm not going to do this again. This is something that I will try again, but thicker chunks of celery. Because to be quite honest, when I put this in there, it's going to give it a lot of flavor, but we're not going to have that celery crunch. Or I don't even think there's going to be any whole celeries. This is pretty, it's not mushy. It's holding its shape. It's really good. It's very, very tender, I will say. It's very tender. It's very good and great in a pinch to add to soups or stews. You want that celery flavor. Celery is really good for you. It has a lot of good properties in it that help you stay healthy. So you always want to have your celery. And if all you have is canned celery, then use it. Add it to your soups, stews, whatever you're making. So let's see. There we go. Try not to make noise when I'm stirring this. I know some of you that really bothers. Trying to stay out of the steam. Look at the chicken. Chicken looks really good. Stay out of the steam. There we go. Looks really good. So I've got 5 huge thighs in here. They almost look like chicken breasts, but they're thighs. Here's some more of the celery. Again, dehydrated on the right, all of the celery, and then that 1 carrot right there. So we'll come back later when this is done, and I'll let you know how it turns out and what I think about it. And I will add the celery, my review of the celery in with my canning video that's coming out, what I will and will not can again. And also the dehydrating video, I'll make a review of the dehydrated celery and carrots and onion. Okay, so that's coming out soon. Stay tuned, guys. Another video to come with the results of the chicken and dumplings.